TikTok Shop Keyword Suggestion Tool. TikTok Shop keyword suggestion tools are extremely useful for helping sellers find the best search terms and hashtags to improve their product visibility. These tools analyze trending searches, product categories, and user behavior to recommend keywords that buyers are actively using. By targeting these high-performing keywords, sellers can optimize their product titles, descriptions, and hashtags for stronger reach and higher conversions. A keyword suggestion tool works by generating related search terms based on your main keyword or product niche. For example, if you sell wireless earbuds, it might suggest terms like Bluetooth headphones, noise-canceling earbuds, or TikTok trending gadgets. These insights allow you to stay ahead of the competition by identifying what potential buyers are searching for before those keywords become oversaturated. Many successful sellers use Helium 10 as their keyword suggestion tool for TikTok Shop. Helium 10 provides powerful keyword research, ranking analysis, and trend tracking features that reveal which terms have strong buyer intent. By combining TikTok's viral reach with Helium 10's keyword intelligence, sellers can craft listings that rank higher, attract more views, and convert better. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to discover trending keywords and optimize your TikTok shop like a pro.